Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode on NUROUM headphones. And to do this, as you can see, they are connected to my smartphone right here, and we'll be unpairing them from basically remotely and entering pairing mode, and we'll be able to connect it to the iPhone even though they are paired with my own device. And it's just to show you that this pairing method works. Now, when also let's just make sure that they're powered on. As you can see, the volume buttons work fine. And what we want to do is to first cut off any power from our headphones, so make sure that they are powered off. Okay, that should be it. And now we need to press on the volume down key and then on the power key right here and hold them for a few seconds until they'll show up on other devices in a Bluetooth list, and we want to click on them. And that's how you enter pairing mode on this headphones. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.